Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Ms. Srijita Ghosh, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all my favorite foundations. But before we start, please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to join the Glam Fam. You can also connect with me on my social media handles via the all-in-one link mentioned right below in the description box. So if you're interested in my most favorite foundations, then please keep on watching. So I'll be showing 6 of my favorite foundations. I'll be showing 2 from each category. One is the drugstore category, second one is the mid-range, and the third one is the high-end. So 2 foundations from each range. So let's start with the drugstore ones first. The first foundation that I have from the drugstore category is the Recode We Stole the Show foundation. Let me show you all the consistency first. This is what the foundation looks like. It's a medium to buildable coverage foundation. इसका फिनिश ना लूमी मैट टाइप का फिनिश है, लाइक पूरा मैट भी नहीं, पूरा ड्यूई भी नहीं, सेमी मैट फिनिश है इसका. लाइट वेट है स्किन पे, लेकिन अच्छा सा कवरेज देता है. रिटेल्स फॉर अराउंड ₹700 इश, ऑन ऑफर्स you'll get it. And also good for daily wear, day looks, for photos. This is a great foundation. Since इसका की इंग्रेडिएंट हाइलुरोनिक एसिड है, तो ये ज़्यादा ड्राई आउट नहीं करेगा आपको स्किन को, और एक लूमी मैट सा फिनिश देगा. So this is the first one that I like. The next one that I like from the drugstore category is the Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. इसका consistency मैं दिखा देती हूँ. This is what it looks like once you blend out. This is a great foundation, like my most favorite from the drugstore category, and this is slightly thicker than the Recode one. This retails for ₹500 to 600, something like that. This is also sweat proof, waterproof, and creates an airbrushed type of look on your skin. So this is a great foundation, doesn't dry off your skin, and it also has SPF 16 component in it, so great for sun protection as well. So this is a great foundation. The first product that I like from the mid-range category is the Daily Life Forever 52 Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation. This is what the consistency of the foundation is. Blends into a skin-like finish, as you can see. Great for daily life wear. Again, medium to buildable coverage. Retails for ₹1000 to 1200 in that range. The next one from this category, again my most favorite. This is the Aflerza Covercha Complete Foundation. The packaging is beautiful. Now this is a slightly thick foundation, full coverage foundation. Sets down matte on your skin. Can you see the coverage? This is a very nice coverage foundation. Again, retails for ₹1000 to 1200, the mid-range category, as I mentioned. With this foundation, you don't even need a concealer. The coverage is that great. So I really prefer this foundation a lot. You can use this in summers as well. All these foundations that I'm showing right now can be used mostly on all skin types in all seasons. So these foundations are universal foundations. Last वाला जो category है वो high end category है. This is one of my most favorite categories in foundations because I prefer using high end based products more, because since it's about the skin, so high end products definitely has a more preference in for me. The first product that I use from this category and I love is the Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. Very lightweight foundation, blends absolutely into your skin. As you can see, it's more like a fresh tint rather than a foundation, because it's so lightweight you can't even detect that you're wearing a foundation. You can't feel that on your skin. Dries down matte on your skin, and it's medium to buildable coverage. You can build as much as you want. Doesn't patch out or doesn't create any harsh layers on your skin. This foundation retails for around 3500, the high-end category, as I mentioned. This is a luxurious foundation, by the way. The next from this category is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. This is a high coverage foundation. I'll show you the consistency. The only thing that I don't like about this foundation is the packaging. Like, you need to pour it out. It's not a pump packaging. Can you see the coverage? This is a great coverage foundation. These foundations can be used even in bridal makeups. It's thicker than the Smashbox foundation because it's more full coverage than the Smashbox one. It also creates an airbrushed look on your face because the particles are so fine. It's an HD foundation. It dries down matte on your skin, has SPF 10 content in it, and you need to blend the foundation very fast because it sets and dries down really fast on your skin since it's a matte foundation, and it retails for rupees 4,000, making it a high-end foundation. So these were my favorite foundations from each category, and I would recommend you all to invest in good foundations since it sits directly on your skin, and base products creates 70% of your makeup. The flawlessness of the base products maximizes your makeup. So I would recommend you to invest in good quality foundations. So yeah, those were my favorite foundations. So that's a wrap for today. Do let me know which is your favorite foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to like, share and comment. Catch you all in my next video. Till then, keep blaming up. Bye bye.